Okay, well, welcome back. Let's straight away get to Nimesh because the real reaction in the market is playing out today. Nimesh, remember we were discussing this in editor's playbook as well. The market was fairly even Steven yesterday, but I think today it's double whammy. A, the expiry effect is over, and global markets are now beginning to price in the reality of tariffs. What are you picking up? What thoughts?
Well, Surabhi, today is clearly a reality check for the markets, right? I mean, yesterday, the pullback was more of technical in nature because of the expiry, because of long chart ratios and everything. Even in this series, we are starting the series on an extremely, short position from the FI. So somewhere down the line, you will see a bit of short covering as well. But today is a bit of a reality check across all markets and for India as well. But from a flow perspective, it's not like there is very large selling. We need to see what the institutional data throws up, but it's 1:2 on the sell side, but the flows are quite muted is what I understand from larger institutions today. The broader market is where the bigger pain seems to be in today's market. So they've largely underperformed. And a lot of smaller and mid-cap names are reacting very sharply in today's market on the downside. So that's something to track in the days to come. Technically, 24,500 is a level to watch on the downside. That's a very, very strong, crucial support for the Nifty. If that gets taken out, you will probably see further sell-off in the market. So that's a level. But today's fall seems to be more of the reality check. But again, flows are not very large, is what I understand from larger FIs.
Okay, so we'll wait by because at least in the cash market, there have been big selling and then big buying on the DIF side. We will see what today's numbers throw up. What about individual stocks, Nimesh? What's the buzz?
So the first on my list is Aurobindo Pharma. The entire pharma pack is under pressure. The pharma index is down more than 2%, and so is Aurobindo Pharma as well. But interestingly, for the last couple of days, the delivery marking is on the higher side, and I understand one large domestic mutual fund has been a buyer at lower levels in Aurobindo Pharma. In fact, the company announced an acquisition as well. So maybe a bit of interest there from larger institutions, and especially one particular mutual fund is an active buyer there. Couple of stocks on the PSU side which is seeing selling pressure today. ONGC and Union Bank both stands out in terms of aggressive selling. Remember, Union Bank was part of my list yesterday as well, and there was delivery-based selling. So there is a continuation of selling in Union Bank, but even ONGC stands out on the sell side. And the last couple of stocks, while the broader markets are down, two stocks stands out for me, Timken as well as TTK Prestige. Both are seeing some small buy flows from larger FIs today. So there is some bit of delivery-based buying and interest as well from larger institutions in Timken as well as in TTK Prestige.
Okay. All right, Nimesh, thanks very much.